Long lines, canceled flights, and confusion at the airport. Travelers coming in and out of Toronto Pearson faced hours of delay Monday after a Delta Airlines flight from Minneapolis crashed while landing on the runway. Fortunately, there were no casualties, but the incident halted flights, adding to an already chaotic week post-winter storms. Even before the crash, many passengers were left frustrated on the Family Day holiday Monday after weather challenges caused long delays.
They can send us emails at 30 minutes update, and then 30 minutes turn to like 20-something or 10 hours.
Experts say when it comes to a controllable change or cancellation, such as crew scheduling issues, maintenance problems, or operational decisions, airlines are permitted to rebook passengers at no additional cost and provide compensation, such as meal vouchers or accommodations.
The airline cannot just wash its hands from its obligation to you as a passenger. They have requirements to rebook you, either on their own or partner flights, to depart within 48 hours of your original departure time.
Lukak says when it comes to delays due to maintenance, airlines need to rebook passengers on another flight within 9 hours of the original departure time. If the next fastest way home is on a competitor airline's flight, then the original airline is required to pay for that flight. If your issue is still not resolved, he recommends taking the airline to small claims court.
It's money that would be owed to you the same way that if someone rear-ends your car, they would have to pay for the damage to your car. In this case, you had a contract with the airline. They were required to transport you in a given time. They did not do that. They did not fulfill their obligation to rebook you as required by law. Therefore, they have to compensate you, reimburse you for your damages.
Former small claims court judge Paul Parley says once the airline is faced with that claim, they are forced to address it fairly quickly.
Well, I understand there are thousands, if not tens of thousands of claims that have yet to be processed in Canada. My recommendation is you have one communication with them in writing. Tell them what you want, be reasonable. If they don't, I advocate taking them to small claims court.
Some other tips include purchasing travel insurance, booking refundable tickets, and always checking the status of your flight before arriving at the airport. In Toronto, Catalina Gillies, City News.